5 facts about olive oil. Olive oil is known for its health-promoting properties and is very popular amongst consumers for both cooking and adding flavor to foods. The olive tree is native to the Mediterranean basin, and archaeological evidence shows that it was produced as early as 4000 BC. Historically, olive oil was used not only for food, but for medicine, lamp fuel, soap, and skincare. Olive oil production begins with harvesting the olives. Traditionally they were hand-picked, but today harvesting is performed by a variety of shakers that transmit vibrations to the tree branches, causing the olives to drop into nets. Spain is the biggest olive oil producer. Nowadays almost 95% of the world's olive oil is produced in the Mediterranean region, and Spain is recognized to be the biggest olive oil producer with nearly a half of world olive oil supply. The climate in Andalusia makes it the perfect place for olive trees to grow, and the champion among all the provinces in terms of olive oil production is Jaén. About 70% of all Spanish olive oil comes from this province. The other two major olive oil producers in the world are Italy with 17% and Greece with 11% of world supply. And just for comparison, US produces only about 0.3% of the world's olive oil. Surprisingly, being the biggest olive oil producer, Spain is only the second biggest consumer of olive oil worldwide. Greeks consume more olive oil than another country, about 20 liters per person annually. Other high-consuming countries include Spain with approximately 13 liters per capita and Italy, where the consumption is about 11 liters per capita. Each olive tree gives 4 liters of oil yearly. One olive tree can produce around 30 kilos of fruit, which is approximately 4 liters of oil every year for hundreds of years. Variety and maturation are two of the most important factors that influence the quality and taste of olive oil. Extra virgin is the highest quality scale for olive oils. Extra virgin olive oil comes from the first pressing of the olives with no chemicals used to extract the oil. The term cold pressed means that the oil was not heated over 27 degrees Celsius during its processing and has kept all nutrients and vitamins. A general rule is the fewer time from harvest to processing, the highest grade oils are obtained, and ideally it should be less than 24 hours. This condition guarantees that the olive oil has a wonderful, fresh and pure taste. Olive oil lowers LDL and raises HDL cholesterol. Incorporating olive oil in your diet on a regular basis can help ensure your cholesterol profile remains healthy. Olive oil has anti-cancer properties too. Olive oil can extend the shelf life of baked goods. By simply replacing butter or margarine with olive oil in your baking recipes, you can dramatically increase the shelf life of your baked goods. The vitamin E-rich nature of olive oil helps to preserve freshness, so you can enjoy your baked food long after they've come out of the oven. However, because olive oil carries a stronger taste than butter, it is recommended using only half the suggested amount. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.